Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a pesto sandwich. First, select a high-quality bread, such as a ciabatta or a rustic sourdough. Slice it horizontally to create 2 even pieces. Then, lightly toast the bread until it's golden brown. This step adds a delightful texture and a warm base for your sandwich, enhancing the overall flavor experience. It's a simple but crucial start. Next, it's time for the star ingredient, the pesto. Spread a generous amount of fresh basil pesto evenly across both toasted bread halves. Don't be shy. This is where the flavor truly comes alive. Follow this with thin slices of fresh mozzarella or provolone cheese. The creamy cheese will complement the vibrant pesto beautifully, creating a harmonious blend of tastes and textures. Now let's add some fresh elements. Arrange thinly sliced, ripe tomatoes over the cheese. Their natural sweetness and juiciness are essential. Then, layer on some fresh spinach or arugula. These greens provide a pleasant, peppery contrast. For an extra layer of flavor, you might also include a few roasted red peppers or sun-dried tomatoes. These additions elevate the sandwich to another level. Finally, carefully bring the 2 halves of your sandwich together, pressing gently to ensure all the delicious fillings are secure. You can then slice it in half, either diagonally or straight down, for easier handling and a more enjoyable eating experience. This pesto sandwich is perfect for a quick lunch or a delightful picnic. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.